Okay, I thought I'd make a video about some wildflower mix that was surprisingly really effective. This Encap is a mix of all-in-one, and it worked really well. So I've never made a video about seeds before because I don't really care so much. But I found this at ALDI, if you can believe it, for, we'll say it was like $6, and I just threw this on the ground, and this is basically what happened. I mean, I threw like a little bit over here. I kind of kicked it around the mulch, and I haven't done anything. I haven't fertilized, I haven't weeded. This was a disaster area. It was just a bunch of like ferns for 40 years probably, and I whacked them down with the weed whacker, and I didn't even put any more mulch on it. I just kind of raked some dead stuff up, and you know, I was looking for something just to, I don't know, add some color, and this worked. I was really surprised. So throw some seed down. It tells you to, you know, just to rake it in and water it. Basically that's it. And this area is really tough because there's like a mat, I don't know how to describe it, underneath all of this. Like years of like ferns have grown, and they created, like when you dig, you can't just, it's not like just sit dirt. It's this terrible mat of interwoven weeds, and then not to mention the trunk of this giant laurel oak that is, you know, you hit every 6 inches you move around. So anyway, I wanted to try something I didn't have to plant. Or like these things I planted over here. You know, I don't know, there's like $6 a piece, these pentas. Yeah, they do fine, they're good. I mean, 2 of them died after about 3 years. But anyway, this thing, you get all sorts of crazy colors. I got pinks, whites, bright oranges, the fuchsia, reds. Anyway, I just threw it down, so I thought, you know, I'll try the rest of it someday too, and put it in here. But this was if you find something like this where you have a all-in-one mix and you're just looking for something to throw in, I was impressed that these things, and they grow like they grow out, if you can see this. So maybe that seed would plant here and would germinate, and it finds the best root. So it's like a creeping plant. See this one, it started here and it sort of worked its whole way out, and now I mean, that's like 3.5 feet away. So they spread out nicely too. They play nice with each other. They don't sit on top of each other. Same thing with this. So I mean, this was probably 3 months ago I put these in the ground and didn't do anything. Since then I just kind of have to water hit it from the sprinkler or rain hit it or whatever. But if you're looking for something easy, maybe this video will help you find something like this and try it out for the cheap.